Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. So students, in the last class we learned about your PowerPoint window and also the screen elements of the window we learned. And in today's class we are going to discuss about creating a new presentation and adding a text in a slide. So how to create a new presentation from the PowerPoint which is already opened. We are not going to open the presentation from start button. So creating a new presentation in the sense we are going to create a new presentation from the presentation which is already opened on the screen. That is what the meaning of creating a new presentation from PowerPoint 2010. And how to add a text in a slide. So these two topics we are going to see in today's video. So now already I am working in PowerPoint, so I kept my PowerPoint window open. So this is the window of PowerPoint, you know well. So left side you can see that the slide pan is open, and you can see the number of slides I have opened is 9 slides are open. Now currently I am in 9th slide. So this is my slide, and now we'll see how to create a new presentation. So to create a new presentation, first you have to go to File tab. So you can see File tab on the top left corner of your window. So keep the mouse pointer on File tab and press left button one time. When you click on File tab, you get this backstage view screen open. In that you have to go for New. So you can see New option below the Home. So click on New. When you click on new one time the left button, and in this right side window you can see a blank presentation here. So blank presentation in the sense we are going to create new fresh window for working. So click on blank presentation one time using your left mouse button. So when you click on that, you can see that the new presentation window is open, and immediately you get the right side the designs for background of your slide. You can choose whichever the design you want for your slide. So this, if you want, you can select, or you can go for the second design if you like, or the next whichever design you want. If you scroll down you can see a lot of designs for your background. You can choose whichever the design you want for your slide backside, and you can start working for your work. So this is how you can create a new presentation from the presentation which is already open. You can see now my old presentation is also here and my new presentation is here. So both the presentations are there. So from this old one I have opened my new presentation, right? Is that clear? And now how to add a text in a slide. So this is your slide, and how can I add my text? And you know that the dotted boxes here, this is called as my placeholders. So you know that inside the placeholders alone I can type my text. Outside the placeholders I am unable to do any work. So if you have placeholders on the slides only, you can able to do the typing work. So now click inside the placeholder and keep the mouse pointer wherever you want. So you have your paragraph group. You can align whether you want in a center or left side or right side, whichever the direction you want. You can align to that side on inside the placeholder. And here you have your style, font style, and you can choose whichever the font style you want, as well as the color for your text you can choose. Then you can type your text. This is how you can type the text. If your work is done inside this placeholder, click on the second placeholder, and you can even for this also you need to change the style, size, everything, and the color as well you can choose. You can type inside that. If this is not visible, select and change the color for the font. If this color is not visible on the slide, you can change to another color. So now it is visible. You can increase the size as well by selecting it as you perform in your MS Word. The same procedure here as well. So you have the same font group, paragraph group. You can do the same work even inside the slides, that is inside the placeholder. So hope you're clear with a placeholder, adding a text in a slide, as well as creating a blank presentation. And in the next class we'll discuss about how to save your presentation and how to close and how to exit your presentation.